Okay.
Got your seatbelt on?
Yes.
Just go up and pull it over and through.
Cool.
That wasn't so bad, was it? Go up.
How's your bagel?
This is weird. This
And
is
over and through. And the airspeed never gets up in the, even in the yellow. That's it. That is a Chandelle.
Chandelle.
Yeah. Or a wing over. You right there, Shanigan?
yeah.
But the plane never got below 80 knots. It never got faster than 140, and you never came out of your seat.
No.
It was completely